Have you ever thought of remodeling your house? Or wonder how that furniture that you kept an eye on for the longest time will look in your room? In this two-part series, I'm going over my favorite iPhone apps that can provide you with a fun and exciting experience designing your house. Homestyler Interior Design. Visualize your interior design ideas and see how furniture products look in your home before you buy them. Snap a picture of a room to create your own 3D home design playground and transform your mobile device into a virtual fitting room. Try out wall colors, decor items, and furniture products from real brands. Place high-quality 3D models of real furniture products in your rooms. Room Planner Design Home 3D. A perfect app for people that just bought a house or an apartment or want to decorate their existing property. Visualize your dream house and get a better idea of what it will really look like. Change anything in the picture, from colors on the walls to the layout of the furniture. Then simply share your vision with your partner, flatmates, or constructors. Wayfair Shop All Things Home. World's largest selection of home goods in the palm of your hand. Whether you are redoing an entire room, creating a wedding registry, or simply searching for a great deal, Wayfair makes shopping for your home easy and fun. Shop the largest selection of home furniture and decor across all styles and price points and explore unique and exclusive products. Decor matters, design and shop. If you're addicted to home design, then this is the game for you. Be your own designer and create your dream house. View the items in your room with augmented reality. Design with millions of furniture and decor items in different rooms. These fantastic apps can help you start designing your house even if you are not a professional interior designer. I do hope you enjoy experimenting with these fantastic apps and seeing what different furniture would look like in your house.